Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a review, demo and swatches of the newly launched palette. If you are thinking to buy this palette, so this is the video you might want to watch. So this is the look I have created with the palette, and please subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm starting off with this deep green shade, and the brush I'm using is from the Start Makers company. This is a tiny blending brush, and I haven't set my lid with any powder just because I wanted to get the maximum pigmentation. And this is another shade from the palette. This is a parrot green type of a shade. So I'm patting the colors above the concealer, so this way you won't have a crease. Then I'm picking up this yellow shade from the palette and blending this above both of the two colors. I'm again going to intensify the green shade and repeat all the steps that I have done before. I'm picking up this black shade from the palette and placing it on the outer V area just to intensify the outer V and make it more dramatic. Now I'm going to take this blue shade and I'm going to blend the black shade with the help of that. Just because I want to use maximum color from the palette, I'm doing this step. Now I'm going to take the green shade, deep green shade, and I'm going to place it above the place where we have placed it, so it's a little higher. Now I'm going to cut my crease off camera, and after I've done with that, I'm putting this golden shade just on the inner half of the eyelid. Now I'm going to take this copper shade and I'm going to blend it in the middle of my eyelid just after that gold shade ends. Now I'm going to take this shimmery blue shade and I'm going to blend both of the copper and the blue shades together with the help of this. Now I'm again going to take this green shade and I'm going to blend it above the cut crease, and also I'm going to bring the color on my lower waterline, so I'm going to place it on my lower waterline as well. Now I'm going to intensify the yellow as well, but this time it is going to be a bit higher than where we have placed it. Now I'm again going to intensify the blue in the outer corner and copper color in the middle. Then I'm going to do my inner corner. For the inner corner I've taken this neonish green shade. Now I've taken this parrot green shade and I'm blending all the colors together. I mean the deep green and the yellow color. Now I'm going to do my liner. So one thing I've noticed that doing eyeliner on top of all these eyeshadows is a little difficult, and also because we have made it, intensified it so many times, maybe that's why. For the liner I have taken this Nika black magic liner, so this is one of my current favorite. I'm going to draw a sharp wing. Now I'm putting on my favorite mascara. So sadly that day I was not being able to find my false lashes, so I could not apply them. So I'm going to be rocking my natural lashes for the look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy, and now let's move on to the swatches of the palette. So this is the first side I've swatched. So the pastel shades are a little difficult to swatch. This is the second one and they're a little chalky. Considering the price, I would definitely recommend this palette because this has so many colors and this is so versatile. I think this